focus. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing fine. I'm Ikra, the founder of Cards and Crafts PD, and in today's video I'll be sharing a very fun project. So as you can see, I have shaped my PVC board into a cloud. So I will be making a wall hanging with this cloud shape. So in today's video I will be using two colors, like navy blue and the light blue color. So I will be decorating my cloud or covering this PVC board with my navy blue 250 GSM paper, like so. Yeah, and then I will be adding some raindrop of the cloud with the heart-shaped cutouts, like the mix match color of navy blue and the light blue. And then I will need a string, my Fevicol MR glue, my scissor, my pin, and my double-sided tape. Last but not the least, I would like to say is that please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So I will be decorating this cloud with the hand lettering calligraphic letters actually. So I drew them in light blue paper to decorate it on my cloud, the name. Yeah, so I'm placing it here just to show you how I'm going to decorate my cloud with these names. So these are all hand cutouts, and actually these are all hand drawn lettering. So let's head into the video. Thank you.
I can see the end is so clear. They're playing us the outro, and now I leave without you. Yeah, no dumb, we were stupid, we were too young. All the typical excuses. Point is we don't wanna do this no more. Staying up late telling secrets, fighting till we fall asleep, then waking up just to do it some more. Well, now we're one step from goodbye, and it should be whatever, but I should've loved you better. Now it's too late to try, and I should just forget you, but I should've loved you better. Should've loved, I should've loved you better. Should've loved, I should've loved you better. Wait up, I don't wanna make you stay, but there's some things I wanna say here. Maybe for a little stay here. Sorry, know that this should be the part we turn around and don't look back again, but I'm honestly just missing it. Staying up late telling secrets, fighting till we fall asleep, then waking up just to do it some more. Well, now we're one step from goodbye, and it should be whatever, but I should've loved you better. Now it's too late to try, and I should just forget you, but I should've loved you better. Should've loved, I should've loved you better. Should've loved, I should've loved you better. Now it's too late to try, and I should just forget you, but I should've loved you better.